Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be talking about every step you need to take to start dropshipping on TikTok. And it's actually quite simple. So I've created this framework right here and I'm going to go through every step. Alright, so the first one is finding a winning product. So winning products, they're everywhere. You can find them on the AliExpress homepage. You can find them on supplier apps like Zendrop. And you can also, if you have a little bit more capital, you can use ad spot tools. This makes it a lot easier, but personally, I don't use any of these. One of my favorite methods is using the TikTok burner account. So you just interact with dropshipping ads and you get a bunch of winning products on your For You page. So this is another good strategy that I like to use. So once you found your product, you want to go ahead and make the website. For most people, you're going to want to head over to Shopify. You can start a 120-day free trial. I'll leave that link in the description. I like to keep it relatively simple. I use the refresh theme and dawn theme, and here I'm actually going to show you guys a website I made. So it was this cat humidifier. Here's the home page, and here's the product page. It's pretty simple. Got the name, review stars, clean pictures, got a GIF, just some bold statements, an FAQ section, and I have reviews here, but they're not shown. Pretty concise, so I will make a more in-depth video on how to actually design every part of this website and every other part of Shopify. So now that you have your product in your store, you're gonna want to order the product to your house, and you want to make a bunch of videos every day. Preferably like 3 to 5, maybe even more. With these videos, I'm not gonna go super in depth, but basically you need a good hook, you need it to be pretty fast paced, show off the product well, because TikTok is all about attention. If your videos just get clicked off and they don't get attention, you're never going viral. Alright, I'm actually gonna show you guys an example of a good account with good videos and a bad account with bad videos. Here, we have a great account, almost 70,000 followers, to make really fast-paced, engaging videos.
So the answer to this question is actually no. We don't even use electricity. Just use gloves like this so you don't get electrocuted. Okay guys, roll the ball.
Look at that. Visually pleasing, fast cuts, and a unique voiceover, and replying to a comment. So as you can see, they have so many viral videos, 4 million views, 3.4 million views. So here we have an example of a bad video.
The stack you sent doesn't expand.
Did you try pushing the top down with your hand?
I don't have any hands.
Skill issue.
So there's no cuts, the angles just aren't very good, the text is just not very engaging, and the product itself is just not very good. So yeah, if you guys want to see me go more in depth of good video ads, then I'll be sure to make a video on that. But yeah, besides that, thank you guys for watching.